Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty with a Twist, and I don't believe that I'm even saying this. This is going to be the last video of this year. It feels so sad that 2018 is going to come to an end, but I'm equally excited to welcome 2019. I hope you are equally excited. I really can't believe, this year really passed in a blink of an eye, and I just felt like it's yesterday that we came to a new country, new city, and yeah, the whole year has just passed away. It's just over. So yes, wish you all and your family a very happy new year. I hope you all have great plans for your new year, like disco, party, or just family time, or anything that can be. What are your plans for your new year? Please mention it in the description box below. And well, for me, I have some exciting plans. I will not be disclosing it now. Yes, hopefully if I get time and if I get the permission and all the help and support, I might film a vlog on my exciting new year end plan. So yes, wish me all the best. And if you want to see how I've achieved this party, 31st party, disco, fun kind of look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, let's begin, and first I'll be grabbing this NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette in Smoky and Highlight, and I'll take these two grey shades combination, mix them in and apply it to the outer 1/3 of the eye and blend it in a circular motion inwards. For this I'll be using Sigma E40 brush. As you can see, I've already primed my eyes with the concealer, set it with the powder, and I did my eyebrows off camera. I have a different separate dedicated tutorial on how to do your eyebrow professionally. I will have the description of the same mentioned in the description box for your reference. Now I'm going to grab this Let's Do It eyeshadow from Colourpop. Oh yeah, my camera kept playing hide and seek that day. I don't know, for some reason. So yes, I did apply it with a pencil brush, and now I'm blending it with Sigma E40 brush in a circular motion. You can use any black eyeshadow of your choice. It just has to be little pigmented so that the blending job is easy. Now I'm going to take MAC brush number 221S and grab the first grey shades that we took from NYX and blend it in the lower lash line. Then I'm going to grab this Cloud 9 shade, which is dark brown color from Colourpop, and with the same MAC brush 221 I'm going to apply it only in the outer corner of the eye, basically in a C shape if you will, and blend it with Sigma E40 brush. This brush is going to be of utmost importance in the whole look, so be mindful of going back and forth every single time you apply any color and blend it with the same brush. Now I'm going to grab color Cloud 9 shade and apply it to the lower lash line and blend it in. Now I'm going to take the same palette from NYX, and the first shade from this palette, which is matte color, and it is creamy kind of white, not exactly white, and with the help of a flat shader brush I will apply it to the inner 1/3 of the eye and gently blend it towards the center of the eye, creating an ombre effect. You can use any flat shader brush of your choice. Here I've used one from Vega. It doesn't have any number, so I don't know what to call it. Now I'm going to grab this shimmer eyeshadow from Colourpop. It's pressed powder in the shade Snake Eyes, and I will apply it with my finger. I think that's the best way to apply these shades because it gives the maximum payoff. Now I'm going to grab this pure pigment from Ilamisca, and with the help of a small paddle brush I'm going to apply it on the same eyeshadow Snake Eyes, and then I will be grabbing a clean blending brush and will blend all these eyeshadows together without taking any additional product and applying it in the crease. We're just going to blend it all in. So we can do this in a circular as well as windshield wiper motion. Then I'm going to take the same pure pigment, and with Vega flat shader brush I will apply it to the lower lash line, but only in the inner one third. Now for some kajal, here I'm using Chambers kajal in the shade black, and I will tight line my upper lash line as well as lower lash line. Then for some mascara, here I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs mascara. Oh my god, it has to be my favorite mascara of the year. It's superb. And I did my wing eyeliner off camera, and I'm going to go with the generous coats of this mascara before we apply the false eyelashes. Now for some pop of color, here I'm using this bluish tealish kind of eyeliner pencil from Nika, and I will be applying the shade Poolside from Makeup Geek on top of this eyeliner to let the color pop even more beautifully. Then I'm going to blend this in with Sigma pointed crease brush. This is number E48. It looks really beautiful. Now I think I'm in the season of mixing as many foundations as I can. So here I've hit the high of mixing 3 foundations. One from LA Girl, one from NYX, and one from L'Oreal. So I will mix 1 pump each at the back of my hand and blend this all in with Real Techniques buffing brush. You can use your hands or beauty blender if you're comfortable with blending with them. Then for sun contour, I'm going to use this cream concealer from Too Faced Born This Way brand, and this is in the shade Very Deep. So I will apply it on top of the cheekbone and on my forehead, and I'm going to blend this all in with e.l.f. stippling brush. I will also apply it on my nose to have a sharp nose kind of an effect, contouring my nose. Then I'm going to apply the lighter shade concealer from Colourpop, and I will apply it on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, on my chin, on my cupid's bow, and under my eyes. And then I'm going to blend this in with Pack Brush 218. It is a stiff dome shaped brush, and it's my all-time favorite to blend the concealer in these areas. After blending, it's time to set these concealers. So the dark contour concealer, I'm going to set it with a contour powder from Colourpop. This is in the shade Rodeo Drive. Set the light concealer with a translucent setting powder, which is from Laura Mercier, so that the concealers stay put all day without creasing. Now for the glitter part, here I'm using the Tarte's combo pack, silver glitter from the combo pack. Basically it comes in a pack of 3 shades like rose gold, gold and silver. So I'll be taking the silver part. You have to be very mindful of applying. You just have to pack the silver shade and not drag it, otherwise you're going to disturb the eyeshadows that you've applied underneath. Now for some blush, again I'm going to go for a combination of 2 blush. First being from MAC, the shade is Pinch Me, and I'm going to apply it on the cheekbone on the side, and then I'm going to mix it with Maybelline's Cheeky Blush, and I don't really remember the name, and this blush I will be applying it on the apple of the cheek so that it gives nice flush of color, the pinky thing going on. For the highlighter, I will be using Becca's highlighter in the shade Opal, and I will apply it with Morphe brush on the high points of my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose and on the cupid's bow. And now for lip, I've shown here that I'll be going in for a combination of 3 lip colors, but I didn't go at the end. This is a lip liner from Kat Von D in the shade Home Girl. So I will first apply the lip liner, and then with the help of a lip brush, I'm going to blend this liner inwards on the lips so that it doesn't look very harsh line. It looks very much blended and it gives a nice ombre kind of an effect. And then I'm going to apply this lip gloss in the shade Aquarius, again from Colourpop. And then I'm going to top it off with Neat Freak lip gloss from the Sheila Colourpop collection, and I felt that I wanted more gloss effect, and so I had to apply a clear gloss from NYX lingerie. So there's a lot of gloss going on in this look to give that, a sexy feel. And then since I'm done with my makeup, I'm going to set this all with Smashbox Photo Finish Water Primer or Primer Water. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of this spray on my face and wait until it dries off. And that's the end of the look. And with this, we come to the end of this look, end of this video, end of the year 2018. It feels a little bit sad when I'm saying this, that this is the last video, but let's all welcome the new year with a bang. I'm sure you all will be having some resolutions, and I really don't have any resolutions. I don't go for resolutions because, hey, really, who follows the resolution? Resolutions are like there for a week and then it goes, down the bin. So I'm not a person who is really good at following the resolutions. But yes, I think, yeah, it sounds good to have some. So the resolution that I have for the new year is to be happy, be contented, and yeah, lots of love to everyone. Until the next video. Bye-bye.